It's quicksand.
Okay, buddy boy, now's the time to open the door for Tuesday morning. Step number one is check the battery voltage. Oh, all good. Oh man. Okay, today, this is before I flip the Jenny on. Today our voltage is 11.9697. I might throw the 10 amp charger on there today. It's at about 75% state of charge, or you know, flashing at that mark. So that'll charge the battery much quicker. David's making his bed, and then we're gonna make some brekkie. Bacon, water, and what's going on?
Eventually spuds.
Spuds. These are delicious.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
I guess we're gonna go adventure to the beach. I was really hoping the sun would come out, but that's okay. The beach will still look cool. Plus we're here a couple days, so if it gets sunny later today or tomorrow, we can always go back. It's only like, it's right there.
It's only like right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's flash up the 4Runner. Guys, here we are at the entrance to the Grant Bay Trail, heading down to the beach. There's a few other campers over there. And here's the path. Let's go check it out.
Alright, so we made it to Grant Bay. Makes me want to go for a swim, but not really.
Lots of driftwood. It is kind of sad to see so much garbage. Look at all the plastic. You're like, ooh. Want some quicksand?
Liquefaction.
Some quicksand? It's quicksand right here.
Liquid action.
It's like what you see in Gilligan's Island where they get sucked under.
There's David walking majestically along the beach. The camper is right there. Right there. You can see it pretty well, like with the naked eye.
This cool little hidden beach. Got our own little lagoon or bay, whatever you want to call it. Man, it's pretty.
It almost looks like there's another small beach right in there. Oh. Cool. Look at the water come in.
Okay, that was Grant Beach.
Bye, Grant Beach.
Bye, Grant Beach. This is so cool. Whoa.
Except northwest 25 over eastern section.
It's 25 to 35 knots wind.
Overnight.
Gale wind warning in effect for tonight and tomorrow.
Central coast from McGinnis Island to Pine Island.
Okay, should be an interesting night. We were scoping out the other spot up there, but we're not going to go there tonight if it's going to get that windy.
This afternoon, then veering to
Well, what's
southwest 25 to 35.
35 knots potentially converted to kilometers an hour. So we got our little converter card here.
So 1 nautical mile, is that what it is?
Yep.
We want to go 2 kilometers. So 1 nautical mile is 1.85 kilometers. So
35 times 1.85.
35 times 1 point what?
1.85.
1.85.
So
65 kilometer an hour
65
winds.
kilometer an hour winds potentially tonight.
Jeez. Yeah, we're not going to the coastal side. we're fairly protected here though.
Yeah. We've got that ridge there. There's no big trees around us.
She said the wind is coming south, or sorry,
From the southwest,
from the southwest. So
which is
like
there.
right behind us. So we're
So
we're
right,
protected.
like that way. Yeah. It'll be fun. Get the GoPro. Yeah, so we got the fire going. Tyler's making some kindling for future fires that we store in the battery compartment. Currently charging the battery. Getting close to 100%. Rain's coming in and the wind's picking up.
Yeah.
We're gonna listen to the marine weather forecast at 1600 tonight. See how the weather's gonna be for us throughout the night and tomorrow. So far it's getting worse. But hey, it's part of the adventure. Okay, so right now Tyler is outside shutting the battery compartment from charging because the rain is going into it. And as you can see, it's pretty rainy outside. Fire's kind of getting smothered out. And we're just about to listen to the updated weather report on the radio, which will involve me sticking my arm in the rain because we can't get reception in the camper.
Southwesterly swell.
Can you
5 to 25 knots, except right south of the Brooks Peninsula. Winds becoming so.
No!
So, gale wind warning in effect for the west coast, North Island. 25 to 35 knots, so 25 to 35 knots, which is like 60k-ish kilometers an hour winds. Rain until Wednesday morning. So maybe it'll be better tomorrow by noon.
Like tomorrow afternoon, and maybe we can try and get the truck up to the other spot.
Yeah.
If the weather's supposed to get better. Sweet. Well, it stopped raining. Still windy. Like, look at the waves down there. Big.
Let the storm begin.
Tonight we're having asparagus with some pre-made rough cut stew. What we do all the time prior to cooking is we always put on a pot of water to boil so we can have warm water for dishes, drinks, face wash, whatever you need. Good plan. So we're eating some asparagus, some stew, some Aerosmith Blonde Ale.
Oh, that's good.
And it is stormy outside. Fire's still going though.
How?
Yes.
With the sea shanties while we're on the sea? There's only so much room to move in here. Oh yeah!